not that surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. I talk myself in, I talk myself out. I get all worked up just to let myself down. I tried so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses. I thought of every possibility. And then I know someday, now you'll make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, that I'll give much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. I might have to wait, but I'll never give up. I guess it's half timing and the other half's luck. Wherever you are, whenever it's right, you'll come out of nowhere and into my life. And I know that it can be so amazing. And baby, your love is gonna change me. And now I know I can see every possibility. And then I know somehow it'll work out. You'll make me work so we work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, that I'll give much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. Hey, him, what about that one?
Oh man, it's too good for you.
What do you mean?
You're gonna get hurt.
I want to get hurt!